Google Gemini versus Microsoft Copilot as of mid to late 2025. Their best features, strengths, limitations, and some thoughts on which might be better, depending on what you need. What Gemini offers, 2025. Gemini is Google's flagship AI assistant model suite. Key improvements and features in 2025 include 1. Gemini 2.5 models. Pro and Flash. 2.5 Pro is more powerful, especially for complex reasoning, coding, long context tasks. 2.5 Flash is more efficient, faster, cheaper, still good for many tasks. Uses fewer compute tokens, etc. 2. Enhanced multimodal and audio features. Native audio output. More natural conversations, expressive voice, emotions, accents, etc. Support for tools like Live API with audio-visual input-output. 3. Deep research and personal file integration. Ability to upload your own files, PDFs, images, so that responses incorporate your private context. Integration with Google Drive, Gmail may be coming. 4. Creative and workspace tools. Canvas works as a creative workspace where you can build content, infographics, quizzes, code prototypes, live previews, edit real-time, etc. Imagen 4. Improved image generation, better visual detail, text in image, etc. Veo 3. Text-to-video generation with ambient sound, simple dialogue, etc. for ultra-tier. 5. Language, translation, interactivity. Gemini Live supports multilingual conversation, switching between many languages. In Google Workspace. Smart replies that capture your tone, near real-time speech translation in Meet, etc. 6. Safety, developer tools and transparency. Advanced security safeguards for enterprise use. Thought summaries, i.e. showing reasoning steps, thinking budgets, control how much compute complexity used, better tools support, MCP, etc. 7. Subscription access tiers. There are tiers like Google Al Pro, Ultra, etc., with different capabilities, for example more Flash, early access, etc. What Microsoft Copilot offers, 2025. Microsoft's Copilot, especially Microsoft 365 Copilot, Copilot Plus PCs, etc., has also been improving. Its features and strengths include 1. Deep integration into Microsoft 365 ecosystem. Copilot is built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. It can help you summarize, coach style, generate content, format, etc. Enhanced file and data search, semantic search, SharePoint indexing, etc. 2. Personalization and memory. Copilot can remember user preferences, favorite foods, upcoming events, etc., style, tone, etc., to provide more relevant responses. User control over what it remembers. 3. Actions, automation. Copilot can perform tasks on your behalf, booking restaurants, making reservations, buying tickets, etc., via partners like OpenTable, Booking.com, etc. Also, vision, using camera, images, video, to understand your surroundings or what's in an image and respond. 4. Deep research and advanced search. Similar to Gemini, Copilot supports more complex, multi-step research, combining many sources, analyzing docs, etc. Copilot search in Bing, mixing traditional search plus generative output with cited sources. 5. Enterprise tools. Copilot Studio, tuning, Agents. Ability to build custom agents for your organization with domain-specific data, workflows, etc. For example, Copilot tuning, multi-agent orchestration. Tools for low-code or no-code customizing agents. 6. Handling large content, summarization, etc. Copilot in Word now can summarize really large documents, over 1 million words. In Excel, sentiment analysis, theme extraction from large text datasets, pivot charts, etc. 7. Cross-device, vision, real-world interaction. Vision features are expanded into mobile and Windows, can take photos or video, interpret environment, etc. Strengths and limitations. Gemini versus Copilot. Here's how they compare, in terms of what each does better, and where each has some trade-offs. Factor, where Gemini shines. Advantages, where it lags. Limitations. Multimodality, images, audio, video, very strong. Audio-visual input-output, VO3 video generation, expressive voice, etc. Good for creative multimodal content. Some features limited to Pro Ultra tiers. Video generation and advanced visuals may be region restricted or subscription locked. Also might be slower, more resource heavy. Reasoning and depth. 2.5 Pro is good at higher complexity, long context, advanced reasoning. Deep research, thought summaries help. Also Gemini performs well in learning benchmarks. Possibly higher compute costs. Sometimes responses may sacrifice speed for depth. For certain enterprise or productivity-centric tasks, Microsoft might have more polish. Productivity and workflow. Office tools. Gemini is being integrated in Workspace, but Microsoft has years of experience with Office Suite. Deep embedding into Excel, Word, etc. Copilot seems stronger here in terms of user convenience. Gemini may lag in niche business workflows where Microsoft already has strong, tight integration. Also, subscription tier limits may restrict access. Customization. Google has security improv and enterprise. Microsoft has more mature readiness. Google has security improvements, safeguards, but Microsoft has more mature tooling for company agents, tuning, orchestration. For small users, Microsoft's enterprise features may be overkill. Cost and complexity might be higher. Gemini's enterprise features may still be catching up in certain domains. Language support/global reach. Gemini supports many languages, multilingual conversation, translation, etc. Microsoft also supports many languages in its tools, but sometimes new features roll out first in English or selected markets. Real-world action versus information. Gemini is improving in being proactive, connecting to maps, Google services, etc. Copilot is strong in taking action, booking, shopping, etc. Also, Microsoft has large partner network for such integrations. Gemini versus Copilot. Which is best for Business 2025? For businesses, Microsoft Copilot currently holds the advantage due to its deep integration with Microsoft 365 tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It streamlines workflows, automates repetitive tasks, and enhances productivity within familiar enterprise environments. Features like Copilot Studio, custom AI agents, and task automation, for example, booking, emailing, summarizing documents, make it ideal for business operations, especially in large organizations. Google Gemini, while powerful in creativity, research, and multimodal capabilities, text, image, video, is still evolving in enterprise-grade integration. It excels in deep reasoning, multilingual communication, and visual content generation, making it better suited for marketing, design, or innovation teams. Conclusion. For traditional business, productivity, And enterprise tools gives Copilot is best. For creative teams, innovation, or multilingual outreach gives Gemini is strong.